Plant FAQs. Colocasia Black Beauty. Colocasia Black Beauty, unveiling the dramatic foliage. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to shed light on the captivating Colocasia Black Beauty, a plant that brings a touch of drama to any garden. This FAQ will unveil its secrets, from care tips to its unique characteristics. Colocasia Black Beauty, also known as the Black Beauty elephant ear, is a stunning variety of the Colocasia genus. Renowned for its deep, velvety purple leaves with contrasting green veins, it makes a bold statement in landscapes and thrives as a houseplant. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. How big does Colocasia Black Beauty get? This beauty can reach a mature size of 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. Its compact form makes it ideal for containers or smaller gardens. Where can I plant Colocasia Black Beauty? Colocasia Black Beauty flourishes in zones 7B to 10, where it enjoys warm temperatures and moderate humidity. It thrives in full to partial sun locations. If you reside in cooler zones, fret not. You can bring it indoors for the winter and enjoy its presence year-round. What kind of care does Colocasia Black Beauty need? Here's the good news. Colocasia Black Beauty is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid soggy conditions. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Soil. Opt for well-draining, fertile potting mix or garden soil amended with compost for outdoor plantings. Fertilizer. During the growing season, a light application of balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks can boost growth. Overwintering. In colder climates, dig up the tubers after the first frost and store them in a cool, dark location covered in slightly damp peat moss. Replant outdoors in spring after the danger of frost has passed. Does Colocasia Black Beauty flower? While not its main attraction, Colocasia Black Beauty may occasionally produce inconspicuous flowers in the form of a hooded spada with a spadix inside. However, the foliage is the true star of the show. Is Colocasia Black Beauty poisonous? Unfortunately, yes. All parts of Colocasia Black Beauty, like most aroids, are toxic if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Colocasia Black Beauty versus Caladium. Both Colocasia Black Beauty and caladiums are known for their vibrant foliage. Here's a quick comparison. Leaves. Colocasia Black Beauty boasts velvety, deep purple leaves with prominent veins. Caladiums come in a wider range of colors and patterns, often with variegated leaves. Light. Colocasia Black Beauty tolerates full sun to partial shade. Caladiums prefer filtered light or partial shade. Hardiness. Colocasia Black Beauty thrives in zones 7B to 10. Caladiums are typically not frost-tolerant and do best as houseplants or in warm climates. Colocasia Black Beauty versus Alocasia. These two plants share similar aroid family traits. Here's a breakdown. Growth habit. Colocasia Black Beauty has a more upright, clumping form. Alocasia varieties tend to be bushier and more compact. Leaves. Colocasia Black Beauty features large, arrowhead-shaped leaves. Alocasia leaves come in various shapes and sizes, often with a more pronounced glossy sheen. Light. Colocasia Black Beauty tolerates a wider range of light conditions. Alocasia typically prefers brighter, indirect light. Colocasia Black Beauty versus Black Magic. Choosing between my Colocasia Black Beauty and Black Magic can be a daily struggle. Both boast dramatic, near-black foliage, but the Black Beauty takes the crown for size. Its leaves unfurl like giant, crinkled velvet sails, reaching towards the sun. Colocasia Black Magic feels more compact, its leaves a touch narrower and held closer to the stem. Black Beauty thrives in more humid environments, its giant leaves catching every drop of moisture. Black Magic, on the other hand, seems a bit more forgiving of drier spells. In the end, it depends on the drama I'm craving. Black Beauty for a bold statement. Black Magic for a touch of gothic elegance in a drier corner. Colocasia Black Beauty versus Illustrious. Now this is a battle of the titans. Both Black Beauty and Illustrious have leaves that could rival a raven's wing, but their personalities are as different as night and day. Black Beauty, as I mentioned, is all about drama. Its dark, crinkled leaves seem to absorb the light. Colocasia Illustrious, on the other hand, is a showstopper. Its near-black foliage is veined with vibrant lime green, creating a stunning contrast that pops in any light. Black Beauty makes a bold statement, while Illustrious is a conversation starter. I find myself gravitating towards Black Beauty for a more mysterious corner, while Illustrious takes center stage on my patio, demanding attention. Where can I buy Colocasia Black Beauty? You can find Colocasia Black Beauty at many online retailers and garden centers. Look for healthy plants with vibrant foliage and no signs of pests or diseases. Final thoughts. Colocasia Black Beauty is a captivating addition to any garden or indoor space. With its dramatic foliage and relatively easy care requirements, it's sure to become a conversation starter. So, if you're looking for a plant that adds a touch of drama and elegance, consider welcoming the Colocasia Black Beauty into your collection.